This track's dedicated to all the backpackers, all the grabbers, all the real hard workers in Glasgow City. You know who you are. Check this. Me and my backpacks going to the show. We're going where we know, we're going where they know that we can flow. Stereo last Saturday of the month, so we get dressed up tight and I'm making a fuss. My backpack's so patient, he sits there waiting. He never starts debates just because we might be late. He never gets in a state if I'm dressed like a Jake. Bounce along the road like real tramps and I feel the fake. I can feel the pace, I want to steal the stage. Just one rhyme, that's all I need and then I'll leave with grace. Sometimes at other venues I bring a stealing case, but I don't feel encaged and I don't feel enraged. I feel nice as he gives me a real embrace. I clutch back and tighten the straps, keep them safe. In the distance I hear the brakes. This is why we came home, because in Glasgow then we feel in place. We're always slapping hands, we other rappers and fans, showing love with a look and get it back in a glance. The guys talk, the lasses can dance. They look sassy but we're happy giving happy a chance, cause this is what it's all about for us. Mates looking out for us, other MCs on the stage giving shouts to us. But even if it all crumbled in a minute and I was only left with one cuddled in my bag, would get it. Backpack, go way back, no way man. When I think of all the way we came, man. Me and my backpack, me and my backpack, me and my backpack, me and that same bag, go way back, no way man. When I think of all the way we came, man. Somebody took you, it would never be the same, man. I've got feelings for a backpack, I'll explain, man. The bag carries my life, carries my strife. Doesn't judge me if I ask him will he carry drugs or a knife. He's the only thing I trust with my wife, and I don't think he's daft enough to bite my rhymes. The bag lightens my life and brightens it sometimes, cause when he opens up to me, he gives me sunshine. Everything important to me is more to him. He never leaves my stuff lying around after I've thrown it in. And if I get pissed or get dissed or checked off the guest list, he's the one that hangs until I'm lying in my bed blissed. And if I'm with someone that I shouldn't be, he's no a snitch, he never says shit. He's a comfortable seat, he's a pillow for my head, and if I need him he's a bed. He's a continuity I've never had in my head. You can't laugh when I see my backpack is my best friend. So why it seems like I'm daft and you will scream for a laugh, but among all of the jokes you never seen all the facts. See the irony is funny when I speak in my bag. He's the only thing I love has never been on my back. It's actually like the last night of the album, man. It's the wrap up night. I'm feeling a little pissy. I just want to give some shout outs to those who deserve them. Easy Riders crew, always working hard to represent Glasgow City. Buy your records from Shakewell and your clothes and your artwork. Shout outs to Skullfuck. Shout outs to all the skaters. Keep it Glasgow, man. Much love for everybody who's got a positive word to say. It's Glasgow City, man, let's just do it properly.
Wakey, wakey.
You can come inside me if you want.
Yeah. Rip it. Rip this. Yeah. I'm about as hypocritical as black people that sit and watch Chris Rock making fun of fat people. People say I'm evil and rap's lethal, but saying something controversial doesn't make us bad people. Black comedians can always make a nice joke, get off on the right note, slag the goofy white folk. I'm controversial too, I like to spike coke, light dope, and if Hitler stands again I might vote. Locked in the clock tower, glancing at my standard grades. They call me Patch Adams, who likes to masturbate. 30 wanks a day and it gets better. I only wrote this fucking cunt verse so it could get censored. Swinging a verbal hatchet with 30 cats attached to it, and here's you thinking you're dealing with fucking Terry Pratchett. Forget the sad shit, I'm definitely past it. I'm getting scary faster than Halloween and like 30 acid. Then I sit back on the bed and kick back while my underage bird goes to the van for tic-tacs.
Okay, are you mental? You can't be using that type of innuendo.
Are you mental? I'll be born in this cowardly in the ghetto instrumental. Well, I pop ecstasy, 10 lines ahead, licenses, deep throat and strepsils. If this is stressful, good, it's essential, cause prudes were the vessel that made abuse sexual. The Bible's turning some of these priests into sick fucks, cause the 10 commandments are contradicting an impulse. While sexual and racial equality rides off on our hairs, is dead, it's walking in reverse. So which is it? Are you black? Are you coloured? A slag or a mother? Are you gangs or you brothers? Malcolm X white suffragettes need smothered. I'm not playing Hitler, mate, these points need covered. Mundane, because we live in a country where if your bird hit ye and you hit her back, you're in Berlin on Monday. Use your cerebro, taboo is lethal, cause I'm scared to think most of this shit is that equal. Maybe if I don't get stabbed at the next 50 cent gig, I'll write a sequel about racist black people and wee cliques running around the streets of Glasgow talking shit about free speech, dissing white culture. I'm white, are you dissing me? Fuck you, mate, and all the racist shit you listen to. All the real pushers of the proud black culture are welcome in Glasgow City, mate. But all you other little racist pricks, get out of my city, hey. I bet you don't know shit about your heritage, your history, what your ancestors fought for in Mississippi, hey. Don't vote, I'm just making a point, or you a choke on your dope smoke. You don't know, so go, you're that ignorant, mate. I bet you don't vote. As for the Bible, God, do I fear him? No, he's responsible for my mind and my clearer flow. Nah, fuck that, mate, don't want to hear it go. What if Lord of the Rings was out 2,000 years ago? 50 cent wannabes with 49 flaws get took about as serious as copyright laws. Yeah.